Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most epic moments in Winx Club history. The final, earth-shattering battle against Lord Dakar from Season 2, Episode 26. This isn't just a fight. It's the ultimate test of friendship, courage, and the true meaning of magic. So grab your snacks and get ready, because things are about to get seriously magical. Let's set the stage. The situation is beyond dire. Bloom, our beloved dragon flame fairy, has been completely consumed by darkness. Under Dakar's evil spell, she's transformed into Dark Bloom, a twisted version of herself, her heart filled with shadow, and her powers turned against her friends. Dakar's plan is on the verge of success. With the 4 pieces of the Codex and the power of the dragon flame, he's about to open the portal to the realm of Relix and unleash ultimate chaos upon the entire magic dimension. The Winx, the specialists, and even the professors from Alfea and Red Fountain are giving it their all, but Dakar seems unstoppable. It's a moment of pure desperation. Just as all hope seems lost, something incredible happens. Sky, showing immense bravery, steps forward. He knows the real Bloom is still in there somewhere, buried beneath all that darkness. He reaches out to her, not with weapons, but with words of love and trust. He tells her he believes in her, reminding her of who she truly is, a kind, brave, and powerful fairy. And his voice, filled with genuine emotion, cuts through the shadows. It's like a tiny spark in an endless night. That spark lands in Bloom's heart, and we see a flicker of the old Bloom, a moment of conflict in her eyes. The darkness hasn't completely won. This is the turning point. Bloom begins to fight back from within. She remembers her friends, her family, and her love for Sky. These memories, these powerful connections, are stronger than any dark spell. She realizes that her true strength doesn't come from a dark, corrupted power, but from the love and light she shares with the people she cares about. In a spectacular burst of energy, she shatters Dakar's control, casting off the darkness and returning to her true self. The relief is overwhelming, but the fight is far from over. With Bloom back on their side, the Winx Club is whole again. Now it's time for the ultimate showdown. The girls stand united, a rainbow of light against Dakar's oppressive darkness. This is what we've been waiting for. They decide to perform a Charmix Convergence, a powerful spell that combines all of their unique magical energies into one unstoppable force. Flora, Stella, Musa, Tekna, Layla, and Bloom. Each one pours her heart and soul into the convergence. Light, nature, music, technology, fluids, and the mighty dragon flame all merge into a single brilliant beam of pure positive energy. The resulting blast is absolutely breathtaking. It slams into Dakar, whose own dark magic is no match for the combined power of the Winx. The pure, concentrated light of their friendship and courage is simply too much for his shadows to handle. He's completely overwhelmed, his form dissolving as the light purifies everything he touches. In a final, climactic explosion, Lord Dakar is defeated, vanishing into nothingness. The threat is over, the portal to Relix is sealed, and the magic dimension is safe once more. With the battle won, peace is finally restored. The sky clears, and the sense of dread that hung over Magix is lifted. But the most important victory isn't just defeating the villain. It's the reaffirmation of the Winx's bond. They faced the darkest possible magic and came out stronger than ever. Their friendship proved to be the most powerful magic of all, capable of overcoming even the most formidable evil. This finale isn't just about a big fight. It's a beautiful lesson about love, trust, and the incredible strength we find in each other. It's a perfect ending to an incredible season. What did you all think of this epic finale? For me, it's one of the most memorable moments in the entire series. Let me know your favorite part of the battle in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more magical content. Until next time, stay magical.